y'amahoro aho abanyamurenge bahuriye n'abatutsi muri rusange muri Repubulika ya Demokarasi ya Kongo bangajwe bimuka iyo bavuka batabigizemo uruhare batabishaka, bityo rero turabiyegereje ngo dukomeze kubana namwe. Abantu ni benshi cyane, hari turi abantu basaga 3,000, rero dukomeze tubane namwe mu bikorwa byose biza kubera hano. Amagambo arimo avugwa ni we need justice, we need justice, murakomeza murumve cyane. Turi kumwe n'abanyamakuru batandukanye bakomeje gukurikirana kino gikorwa. Murabona Gaston imbere arimo abaha umurongo baza kugenderamo. Abantu rero turi mu marembo ya White House, twaje kugaragaza akarengane k'umunyamurenge aho yitwa azira ukwasa n'undi mututsi uwo ari wese. Turakomeza tuhababere, namwe mukomeze kubana natwe 5 kuri 5. Icyo dushoboye turagikora kugira ngo mukurikirane iki gikorwa. Mu magambo ni we need justice, we need justice, we need justice. N'abantu benshi cyane rwose basaga 3,000 birenga. Tubana namwe kandi mudukurikirane kugira ngo tuhababere. Mbere yacu hari polisi ituri imbere, iturangaje imbere kugira ngo dukomeze dukurikirane bino bikorwa byose kandi bikorwa mwituze. Tubamenyeshe ko tugera ahantu hatandukanye turamusunika. Muri hano rero turi Washington DC nk'uko twabivuze, murabona n'amarembo yinjira muri White House. Mu by'ukuri turagaragara ko abanyamurenge baciye muri Leta Zunze Ubumwe za Amerika bagerageza gukora ubuvugizi. Iyi ni intambwe nziza, ni ikimenyetso kigaragaza ko duhagararanye n'abene bacu bakomeje gupfa mu misozi ya Minembwe bazira uko basa. Dukomeze tubane namwe nk'uko twababwiye, turahababereye 5 kuri 5. Turi kumwe n'abasekirite bacuza umutekano w'abanyamurenge hano muri uyu mujyi. Turi kumwe na polisi y'igihugu hano i Washington DC iturangaje imbere, ariyo dukomeze gukurikira. Iyi ni imyigaragambyo y'amahoro, ni imyigaragambyo yiyemeje kuvuga akarengane k'umututsi muri Repubulika Iharanira Demokarasi ya Kongo. Amagambo bavuga baravuga ngo we need justice, we need justice, we need justice. Baramagana ubutegetsi bwa leta ya Kongo kuko bakeneye ubutabera. Tubane namwe dukomeze dukurikirane ibikorwa byose biza kubera hano. We need justice, we need justice. Ntabwo dusaba ubutabera ku banyamurenge gusa, ahubwo turasaba ubutabera ku batutsi bose bakoresha ururimi rw'ikinyarwanda batuye muri Repubulika Iharanira Demokarasi ya Kongo. Murabona cyane abazungu bahagaze ku mihanda, bahagaze barareba alerte yabaye hejuru y'abantu basaba ubutabera. We need justice, we need justice, we need justice. We need justice, we need justice. Ijambo ni riri gusa, dukeneye ubutabera, dukeneye ubuvugizi. Turi hano murabizi neza kuko urugamba rwaramutse ubu nyine ruri hano i Washington DC muri White House. Turava hano munsi yose turahirirwa, turahava amasaha arangiye y'akazi, kandi ntabwo turi buhave gusa, turasiga izindi delegation zizagenda zihura n'ubuyobozi butandukanye bwa leta ya Donald Trump n'abasenata batandukanye b'amastate atandukanye. Intero ni we need justice, we need justice, we need justice. ubutaka rwose bafite umubabaro wo kubabazwa na bene wabo bapfa bazira uko basa. Dukomeze tubane namwe. Nabibabwiye ngo harimo ingeri zose, abasore, abana, abagabo bakuru bari hano bateranye kugira ngo bakomeze bavuge ko bakeneye ubutabera. We need justice, we need justice. Dukeneye ubutabera, dukeneye ubutabera. Bayibona abanyamakuru abateraniye bose ni benshi cyane baje gukurikirana kino gikorwa kiri kubera i Washington DC. Tubane turahababarira 5 kuri 5. Muri za kare baranga biragaragara kuko hariho amazu yasenyutse asenywe n'amadrone, harimo abana bafunzwe bakuwe ku mashuri, harimo abakorewe ama violence, harimo ababyeyi bari ku misozi no kumitikira, harimo bagiye batwikwa, harimo bakamizo bagiye baribwa bakabotsa bakabarya. Murabona ku mapankarite bafite agenda agaragaza impfu abatutsi n'abanyamurenge bakomeje gupfa muri rusange. We need justice, we need justice, we need justice. Murabona ibitangazamakuru byinshi biri hano, amagambo ni menshi. We need justice, we need justice. Dukeneye kubaho, dukeneye kubaho nk'abandi bose, ntabwo dusaba uburenganzira bwo kubaho. We need justice, we need justice, we need justice. Dukeneye ubutabera, dukeneye ubuvugizi bw'abatutsi muri Repubulika Iharanira Demokarasi ya Kongo. We need justice, we need justice, we need justice. Murabona rero turi imbere, turangajwe na polisi ya hano Washington DC, niyo iri imbere yacu. Dukomeza tuvuga ko dukeneye ubutabera. We need justice, we need justice, we need justice. Bafatanye urunana nk'ikimenyetso cy'ubumwe cyo kurwanira uburenganzira bwo kubaho. Tubana namwe muri iki gikorwa. Biraboneka ko iki gikorwa tuza kugira umusaruro kuza gusiga ubutabera. Abasore mufashe umuheto muri kurwanaho, ndabizi neza kuko hari icyo ubuvugizi cyangwa se imbaga nyamwinshi y'abateraniye aha ngaha bavuga ko we need justice, we need justice, we need justice. Hari ibyo biza gusiga mu mahoro. Tugize iminsi dusaba ko leta iturenganira cyangwa se twitaho nk'abandi. Twamubona Gaston Ilunga, Tereza wa Yesu, ari imbere bose arangaje abantu imbere n'abandi basore b'abarwanashyaka. We need justice. Abamubona amajire n'abashinzwe umutekano muri iki gikorwa kiduhuza. We need justice, we need justice, we need justice.
Abantu mu Minembwe rero turi hano kuri ambasade yacu kugira ngo tubwire ambasade nko bagomba guhagarika buriya bwicanyi buri hariya, bagomba guhagarika iriya bitekerezo za genocide bikorwa muri Est, kubera urwango rw'abatutsi n'abanyamurenge bari hariya. Banze gufungura umuryango ariko turahagarara. Abandi twaba tugiye muri Capitol Hill cyo kubwira guverinoma ya Amerika nayo, kubera ko guverinoma ihaye bafasha iguma guheza Tshisekedi imbaraga zo kwica abantu. Rero niyo mpamvu turi hano, twaje turi abantu benshi, ibihumbi n'ibihumbi by'abanyamurenge n'abatutsi n'abandi bakongomani bafite umutima mwiza wo kutuvugira. Ibihumbi 4 byose ubu ngubu bari kuri Capitol Hill. Rero niyo mpamvu turi hano, kandi turasaba nko baza kutwumva. Murakoze cyane, kandi tunabashimira mwese, dushimira abantu bose baje kugira ngo tuvugire ubwoko bwacu. Turabashimiye rwose. God bless you all. Are they going to come out then? Okay.
Arizane bagiye gutowinga umuntu waparitse hano hafi hagati ya Federal Building. Umuntu waparitse bagiye kumutowinga. Umuntu waparitse hagati ya Federal Building zibiri bagiye kumutowinga. Abantu bafite ibyapa by'amasiteti yabo mu bizamura, abantu babona amasiteti yanyu uko ahagaze.
Mari. Gracias. Please, twegerane amaseti tureke kugenda, twegerane amaseti tube duhagaze ariko twegerane amaseti turahagurukira rimwe twese. Mene bari hehe? Abantu b'amene bari hehe? Abafite ibyapa by'amene bari kubashaka abantu babo. Bari hehe? Mene ngiriya hepfo abasha icyapa cy'amene kiri hehe? Mukizamura. Ayo bari hehe? Abantu bayo muhagaze he? Abantu muje masete ariko nimugende please. Twegerane masete ariko ntitugende. Gasore wa Texas baramushaka, Gasore wa Texas. state mwegerane na state abantu bari bari hano North Carolina turayibona abantu ba Texas bari hariya abantu ba Indiana bari hano hanyuma duceceke Missouri bari hano inyuma Missouri bari hano inyuma Bishop Musinga Indiana iri hano nyuma yuko duhuye nka state duceceke dutuze gatoya buri state muzabura icyapa abantu banyu bababona aho muhagaze
turi kumwe n'abantu
bari hano
hepfo niho ubona ahantu kurema yerekeye ariho werekera
Texas dutuze gato abantu ba Texas mutuze gato mutuze
manuka hano kuri mu maso ya Clement
abantu ba Texas mutuze gato hanyuma nitumara gutuza gatoya mbere yuko duhaguruka mureke twumve perezida aduha icyerekezo iyo tugiye ariko tube twagiye mu masiteti yacu aho duturuka abantu bo muri Maine bari hehe abantu bo muri Maine bari hariya abantu ba Kentucky Texas murebe hano Texas murebe hano Texas muceceke murebe hano abantu ba Texas mureke twumve ijambo ry'umuyobozi hanyuma dufate umuhanda batwereke iyo tugenda ariko twese tugende mu matsinda yacu igikurikiyeho dufite timu ya medical umuntu ukomereka yikubise hasi cyangwa warwaye umutwe hari abaganga baturimo ubwira umuyobozi wa state arakwereka abaganga bagufasha turaza kugira protokole mwayibonye twirinde akajagari abantu ba protokole rwose batuyobore neza kandi tuhubahe nitugenda mu mihana turubaha abayobozi bacu twirinde akavuyo nta kurwana twaje hano kwifatanya n'abantu bacu bari mu gahinda ne kurwana rwose reka twumve umuyobozi wacu hanyuma dufate umuhanda
nyenye Banyamulenge lives matter. Banyamulenge lives matter. Tutsi lives matter. Tutsi lives matter. Stop the genocide in Congo. Stop the genocide in Congo. Thank you so much. Twumvikane. Turashimye rwose kuba mwaje. Ndabona nombre yiyongera. We need to be very disciplined today. We need to be very disciplined today. Tugiye gutangira gahunda, mugendere muri gahunda, mugendere muri discipline, kugira ngo igikorwa cyacu kigende neza. Nyenye! Banyamulenge lazimara! Stop the genocide! Twirinde, hari ibintu twatumva hanze. Abantu ngoyage navuga amazina ngo tudashaka kumva hano y'utugara n'ibindi. Ibyo ngize mubikure mu kanwa kanyu. Tukore gahunda yacu icyatuzanya nicyo dukora. Twumvikanye nyenye? We're just about to start the peaceful protest. We're going to start here. Please listen to your people. Listen to the moderators. Nyenye? Okay.
murakoze bose mureke dutangire gahunda yacu mu butuzo tugende dukore ibintu byatuzanye. Thank you so much.
Kongo intambara igihugu n'ikindi bivuga ni ikibazo kimaze imyaka kiri hagati mu gihugu, ni ikibazo cy'ivangura ry'amoko, bavangura ubwoko bwacu. Guhera mu mwaka w'ibihumbi kimwe magana cyenda mirongo itandatu na kane tunasibuka muri Turasabarara nibwo ababyeyi b'abapfuye badukomeye Murenge baradutwikira baradusenyera kuko Platero barabisenya kandi nta muntu wari wasigaye, baranyaga barasenya. Rero iyi ntambara turi muri iyi myaka kandi niko bimeze, bashaka kutwambara gakondo yacu n'uko dukora mu gihugu. Rero kituzanye hano kwamagana leta ya Kongo na leta y'Uburundi yagiye gufatisha leta ya Kongo kwica abaturage bayo. Rero turasaba Amerika n'amahanga yose barije kubakurerera ndetse banga n'izina ryacu ry'Abanyamulenge. Urabona umuntu wabuze umuntu ufite izina ryiza. Rero turamagana leta ya Amerika yakomeje kurebera ibi muri bizinesi z'amabuye y'agaciro, ntishaka kumva ijwi ryacu, ntishaka kumva ko dutaka, ariko kuri uyu munsi turagiye hariya tubabwiye babyumve. Ikindi turamagana abagambanyi bo mu bwoko bwacu, abagambanyi bo muri twe abamaganye basigaho. Muzi umugambanyi burya bari bazi ishoka ishenyi ishobora gutera ibiti yonyine, ariko uzuja mu cyoga cy'ibiti ugatwaza n'umuhini ugashyiramo ishoka cyangwa imbere y'ishenyi ugashyira mu cyoga bibiri. Abo nabo niko bameze, umazi yo gushaka akoresheje urwabo. Abo nabo bafatanyije n'umwanzi bagereranyije n'iri mu mashoka. Rero bigatuma bose bagakantu bateka gatoya
bahindura izina mu bintu bihemu usoza kwita kagana kugira abantu bihemu ibihemu bihemu
tugiye kuvuga gusa bikeya mbere yuko tuza microphone kandi but we need justice just for Uhuru Banyamulenge.
Aha murabona ko turi live twagiye muri Washington DC. Murabona ko abantu ari benshi, abantu ni benshi bitabiriye bagishe kugaragaza akababaro kabo uburyo abatutsi muri Kongo bicwa abanyamurenge. Aka ni akababaro k'ibitubaho twese. Murabona ko abantu bitabiriye
ntukigeze hirya gushaka hatangiye
Es Marie. Es Marie. Uva. Can you stream live put it X amount?
I think we can, yeah.
So I need somebody who's gonna down stream it live with X amount.
Okay.
Wait for it. I don't want to give anyone else. Can you do that? So if you know hashtag whatever, right?
Streaming a live retweet.
Right?
No,
Oh, you can't do
we are
it.
streaming a live retweet.
abantu bayobozi nimuhagarare rero n'abasipika ngiye gutangira event please amuhagarare hano sekirite mujye inyuma muhagarare
Okay,
Can we live stream on X?
we
Can we
can't
live
live
stream?
stream on
I don't know espe ni double nande nande
Mashado na Kirenga. Shanti.
Jantier.
Shanti.
I need the mic guys
Find it. Someone. Guys, please. Guys, please.
This is a restricted area, please. No one is allowed to pass by.
hagarara hano amagara gentil ninda mu microphone
barahagarara hano abayobozi.
aba bantu bose baje kureba
Abandi muva.
abantu mujye hasi espe na double muhagarare hari abandi bantu bajya mu mwanya abantu mujye hasi imbere n'abanyamakuru
Guys, let's go.
ni fake
Okay, let's get ready.
abantu bose
Watanye. Utanyenye. Nyenye.
turaza kuguhisha aratangira na gentil bari abavuga nyuma yawe se abantu kati
Tugere babiri kuko imvura yawe.
none uratangira
Yatangira na kimwe.
abantu bose bicara
Precisely because we are concerned that the policy conversation in Washington is being shaped by an incomplete picture. Much of the media and lobbying attention surrounding the DRC, that's framing systematically erase the resource but the deliberation target of ethnic violence. Since 2017, violence targeting the Banyamulenge community in Eastern DRC, particularly in Minembwe and South Kivu, intensified dramatically. The Genocide Watch has maintained an active alert regarding the targeting of Banyamulenge and Tutsi. Over 450 villages were destroyed, more than 1,000 civilians killed, thousands of people displaced, over 705,000 cattle, livestock decimated. This has been perpetrated by the following are the armed actors responsible for these forces in DRC. We have the FARDC, the Democratic Republic of Congo Army, the Burundian Defense Forces, which is the Burundian National Army, and the Wazalendo Militia, and the FDLR, which is a genocide militia from Rwanda. This is the method they've used to exterminate and to kill the Banyamulenge. That they're using drones attack and drone bombardment in civilian areas, destroying homes, church, and school. They're systematically burning crops and destructing all the livestock. They're doing a deliberate blockade of humanitarian aid and medical assistance. Communication has been shut down, cutting down communities of the outside world. Hate speech is rife and incitement targeting the Tutsi and Banyamulenge identity. The United States has invested significantly in diplomatic capital in achieving peace in DRC. We welcome the Washington Accord, the Doha Framework for Comprehensive Peace Agreement, which was signed on November 15, 2025. And most recently, the joint statement issued on April 17, 2026, following talks in Montreal, Switzerland. In that statement, the DRC government and the IFC M23 with the United States as direct participants and guarantor alongside Qatar to go. They provide the following statement: allowing rapid, safe, and unimpeded delivery of humanitarian assistance across conflict affected. Operationalizing the ceasefire oversight and verification mechanism to monitor the permanent ceasefire. These commitments have not been honored by the Banyamulenge community. Attacks continue, aid has not been reached Minembwe, and critically, the DRC government has failed to release the detained of the Tutsi and Banyamulenge prisoners. And this is our demand to the United States of America. We demand immediate humanitarian relief, ceasefire, enforcement, and prisoner release. Congressional oversight, hearing, and accountability, sustained and accountability in U.S. diplomacy. To conclude, we are grateful for this nation's landscaping commitment to human dignity and for the United States' direct engagement in the current peace process. We ask that this engagement remain anchored in the full truth and what is happening, not only the version shape the mineral interest and media framing, but the reality our family live every day. We respectfully urge your leadership to help stop the killing, ensure humanitarian relief, and ensure that these obligations have already been accepted. We stand ready to provide further documentation as needed. Peace for Banyamulenge, peace for Tutsi in DRC, peace for Congo in general. Thank you very much. Peace for Congo!
Not because we want to, but because we do not have choice. We have been told that agreement has been signed here in Washington. Agreement have been discussed in Doha. Agreement promising ceasefire, protection, and hope. But we ask this question: do this peace exist? Because on ground in Eastern Congo, there is no ceasefire. Banyamulenge and Tutsi community in DRC are still being bombed. There is no protection. There is only fear. While papers are being signed in conference room, our families are in Minembwe. We are living through destruction of schools, hospitals, Banyamulenge, Tutsi community in DRC Congo. The failure where words exist, but action was not. A failure where and attack. And Congo is killing people. And today we stand here in front of the United States of America to demand that our lives matter. Thank you so much. And we must say this. Silence is not silence. When the world sees the community when they know that civilians are being bombed and still choose silence, that silence harms. We are not here to reject peace. We are here to demand a real peace. A peace that is felt on the ground, not just written on paper. A peace that protects you, not protect our families. We refuse to accept a diplomacy that is
Yes, murabibona rero turi kuri ambasade y'abakongomani.
kugira ngo batinya kubera ngo turi benshi rero bavuze ngo niba bishoboka yewe n'abantu nk'abatatu basigara ngaha baratwemerera kuganira nabo rero mutwihanganire mube nk'abagushinga damu niyo nizira ahubwo niyo nzira tujya gufata dusubirayo tujya kuri Capitol wegera gatoya hariya hepfo barabazana uwo ngo batinye muri benshi cyane cyangwa ngo baratinya ibyaha byabo bamaze iminsi dupushinge gatoya dusubire inyuma base ngabo bona nk'abantu bagiye baraza tuganire ibyaha byabo ngira atinya ngo baranga gusura kubera ibyaha byabo
abantu tumanuke hepfo tumanuke hirya tugenda tumanuke twese tumanuke
abantu bose
This is the reason why we stand here with over 4,000 people to cry for people, for Banyamulenge and Tutsi who are being killed in DRC. The drones attack every day. There are women and mothers running in the bush every day because of the bombs and the drones that our government is doing in Kinshasa. Look around. Look around. These people have not done anything at all. These people are only being killed because of their ethnicity, because they are Tutsis and because they are Banyamulenge. We're here at our own embassy to tell them it is time that they stop this war. It is time that they stop this drones attack that is taking place in Minembwe every single day. We have young children here, young girls and boys who did not go to school because they want to show solidarity with the people of Minembwe, with the children of Minembwe who are not even going to school. Our government in Kinshasa is not listening, and they're perpetrating these killings on a daily basis. So we are here at the embassy in Washington, D.C., wanting to talk to one single person at the embassy, and they're not even coming out. They're scared. They're scared because of what they're doing to the people of the Tutsi. They're scared to come and face us because of the atrocities that they're doing every day. So we are not going to go anywhere. We will come back today, tomorrow, and after tomorrow until we speak to our people, to our embassy here. They need to listen to us, and they need to stop the killing. Right now in Minembwe, people are dying. They don't have any food. They've not been able to purchase any single food for the past 6 months. They're in blockade. They're being blockaded in one area. They cannot move from one village to another. And these are human beings. So we're here requesting that the humanitarian corridor gets opened. We're going to leave this embassy. We're going to go to the Capitol Hill to talk to the U.S. government. The U.S. government is being complicit with what's happening in Minembwe. They're listening to the President Tshisekedi because of the mineral deal, but they're forgetting about what the lives of the people who are dying. These are real lives. These are no stories. These are mothers. These are children who are dying every day. The U.S. government needs to understand that they are enabling the DRC government to do atrocities and kill people. So here today at our own embassy, we are not even allowed to come inside. This is a discrimination that we've been going through for the past 10 years. So that is why we're here. We're hoping to talk to somebody, and somebody needs to come and talk to us. So I'll stop that in English, and I'm going to speak in Lingala. So, como nanga Douglas Kabunda, naza président ya Mahoro Peace Association, eza association ya ba Congolais Tutsi o bavandi awa na Amerique. Lelo o toza le 20 avril. Toye na ambassade na biso ya Congo, poto solo la na batu na ambassade na biso. Ça fait presque 10 ans, ça fait presque 9 ans likolo chez biso na Minembwe batu ba okufa. Tala ba photo o. O azabana, bazaba mama, bazaba bazokufa mikolo nyonso pona ba drone oyo president Tshisekedi azotenga azotinda kuna chez biso. Tolingi president Tshisekedi aya kotala biso na miso, atala bano na ba mama ba okufa. Atala biso atinda batu na ambassade baya awa ba solo na biso. Tolongwa awate until to solina mutu ambassade. Parce que biloko esalema na Minembwe na Kivu eza génocide. Eza génocide président na biso aosalango na wazalendo, aosalango na FDLR, aosalango na gouvernement Burundi. Tolingi gouvernement Burundi elonga na mboka na biso. Tolingi bango na mboka na biso te bazonga chez bango. Minembwe eza Burundi te, Minembwe eza Congo. Banyamulenge balingi bavanda kuna na kimia. Tosengi gouvernement na biso, tosengi gouvernement Burundi ezonga, gouvernement biso batika ba drone, bafongola nzela batu bazwa bilei. Ça fait presque 4 ou 5 mois batu ya Minembwe bazozwa biloko olia te. Kilo ya sucre na Minembwe ya $50. Kilo ya mungu na Minembwe eza $50. Batu ya Minembwe bazwa mungu wapi? Tokosenga ngo, tozoyebisa gouvernement biso eyokela biso. Eyokela biso parce que biloko génocide wasala biso il faut sila. Merci beaucoup toza awa, so tolonga tokena Capitol Hill, tokeno yebisa gouvernement américain. Gouvernement américain batika kopesa président M. Tshisekedi mbongo bati kopesa ba signature ebele pona minere. Batu ba okufa, minere wana eza makila batu te. Il faut batika biloko ngo yango toza awa na ambassade na biso. Merci beaucoup. Donc mukinyarwa mukinyamurenge, right? Okay, turi hano kuri ambassade yacu ya Congo. Twaje turi benshi ariko banze kudufungurira kubera ko bavuze ngo turi benshi hanze cyane. Badusabye ngo tugende kugira ngo baze batuvugishe. Ayi ni ambassade yacu. Hagombye kuba ari igihugu cyacu, twagombye kuba tuza tukisanzura tukinjira hano. Ariko batwangiye ndagira ngo nisoni bafite kubera buno bwicanyi bamaze iminsi bavuga. Buno n'ubwicanyi wabubera mu Minembwe. Aba